Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Pillar English. I'm Emily, and I'm so happy you joined me today. Family is one of the most important topics in life. Everyone has a family, and talking about your family is a common part of daily conversation. It's a topic that helps you connect with friends, classmates, and colleagues. Let me ask you a simple question. Who is in your family? Do you have brothers or sisters? Do you live with your parents, grandparents, or other relatives? Talking about family is easy and fun, even if you are a beginner in English. Today, we will practice describing your family, answering questions, and sharing simple stories using easy sentences and words. You will learn how to speak naturally about family members, their personalities, and your relationship with them. In this episode, we will cover how to describe your family members, how to ask and answer questions politely about family, how to talk about family routines and activities, how to share small stories about your family, and how to have friendly conversations in social situations. Don't worry if you make mistakes. The goal is to speak clearly and confidently. Speaking about family is one of the easiest ways to practice English because it's something personal and meaningful to you. Take a deep breath, relax, and imagine your family around you. Let's start practicing English together by talking about the people you love most. Now, let's talk about your family in public situations. People often introduce their family when meeting new friends or in conversations at school or work. For example, I have a small family. I live with my parents and my sister. My family is very close. You can also describe family members individually. My mother is kind and patient. My father works in an office. My brother likes playing football, and my sister enjoys reading books. Notice the words and phrases I have, my is, I live with. These are simple, polite, and natural ways to describe your family. In public, people also talk about family routines. We have dinner together every evening. We like to watch movies on weekends. My family helps each other a lot. If you want, you can talk about extended family as well. I have grandparents who live nearby. My cousins visit us every summer. Talking about family in public shows that you are polite and friendly. You don't need to give too many details. A few sentences are enough to make conversation. Remember, being honest and positive is always good. Even if your family is small or unusual, you can speak confidently. I have a small family, but we are very close. My family is different, and I love them. Talking about your family is a simple way to start friendly conversations, build connections, and practice English naturally. Now let's practice questions and answers about family. Here are some common questions. Do you have any brothers or sisters? Who do you live with? What does your father or mother do? How is your family? Simple answers work best for beginners. For example, question, do you have any brothers or sisters? Answer, yes, I have one brother and one sister. Question, who do you live with? Answer, I live with my parents. Another example, what does your father do? Answer, he is a teacher. Question, what about your mother? Answer, she is a nurse. You can also describe hobbies or personalities. My brother likes football. My sister enjoys painting. My mother is very kind. If you want to ask someone back, you can say, What about you? Do you have siblings? Who do you live with? Even if your family is small or unusual, it's okay to answer simply. I live with my grandparents. I have one cousin who lives far away. These questions and answers help you start friendly conversations and practice speaking English naturally. Focus on clarity, not perfection. Talking about family often comes up in social interactions. With friends, the conversation is usually casual. My sister likes playing games. That's fun. My brother likes games too. With family, you may talk about routines. We eat dinner together every night. We go to the park on weekends. At school or work, people are more polite. I have a small family, but we support each other. My parents work hard, and I help them too. When talking about family, it's important to be respectful. Avoid negative or judgmental words. Instead of saying, "My family is boring," say, "My family is quiet, but I like spending time with them." You can also share small stories politely. Last weekend, we went to the zoo together. My sister helped me with my homework yesterday. Asking questions about others' families shows interest and builds connection. Do you have siblings? What do your parents do? Do you spend time together on weekends? Talking about family in social situations makes conversations friendly, warm, and meaningful. It's one of the easiest topics to practice English naturally. We've reached the end of today's episode. Today, we practice talking about your family in English, share routines, answer questions, and have friendly conversations. Talking about family is personal and easy. It helps you connect with others while practicing English naturally. You don't need perfect grammar, just speaking clearly and kindly is enough. Here's a practice for today. Say 3 sentences about your family out loud. For example, I live with my parents and my sister. My father works in an office. We eat dinner together every evening. Try asking a friend or family member about their family too. Sharing stories and listening to others will help you feel more confident in English. Thank you so much for listening to Pillar English. I'm Emily, and I'm proud of your progress. See you in the next episode. Keep practicing, keep sharing, and enjoy talking about the people you love most in your life.